Guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix text-to-speech on TikTok. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do this, all you want to do is head to TikTok, then go to your profile. If I click on a post or a draft, I can then add text-to-speech, but if you can't do this, I'll go ahead and text hi, click on it, and as you can see, I can add text-to-speech. But if this isn't showing, you can simply hop out of TikTok, go to settings, and then scroll down to general. You then want to click on iPhone storage, want to wait for it to load, and then you want to find TikTok. So I'll go ahead and search for TikTok real fast. And then you want to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. And then you want to reinstall the app once it's done offloading. You can then refresh the app, open it back up, and see if it's working. Another thing you can do is go to the App Store and check if TikTok needs an update. So I'll go ahead and look up TikTok real fast. As you can see, it doesn't. Pinterest would, but TikTok does not right now. So you can go and check those two things and see if you can start doing text-to-speech on your videos. But hope this video fixes your problem. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.